What we're going to do is make some shiitake mushrooms. I'm going to saute them with the garlic herb butter that we made earlier, if you caught that video. So what I'm going to do is slice these up. And I'm going to kind of get them a little bit thin, not too much. We'll get this pan good and hot, and then we'll saute these up and kind of like finish them off with this here, a little bit of white wine and that herb butter. So let me get this done. We'll be right back. Now we're doing these sauteed mushrooms with this herb butter, but we're going to start out with a little bit of olive oil in this pan here. Make sure the pan's good and hot. Mushrooms are like sponges. They're going to soak up all this. Nice and hot pan. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit more olive oil in here. Oh, look at these puppies here. And after these are cooking really nice, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of white wine in here and deglaze this. I'll put a little bit of lemon, salt and pepper. You see the water, the moisture coming out of these mushrooms right now. That's what I'm talking about. And some salt, a little bit of sea salt. Turn these steaks over here. You can put this in the freezer good for probably 3 or 4 months, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna take it, slice this up. Look at that nice herb butter. I'm gonna take and drop this off inside here. It's going to add all the flavor you need in here. I'll give you another slice. Still a little bit soft. Didn't get a chance to firm up the way I like it, but that's okay. We're just using it for flavor right now. Look at this thing melting in there. Look at these mushrooms. Ooh. Fresh shiitake mushroom with herb butter. It's kind of hard to beat, let me tell you. I'm going to take these steaks off. I'm going to put them here, I'm going to let them rest for a minute. Get some nice dry aged steaks we got. Look at this here. Just made a nice little sauce, all that stuff. You can see that, look at that. That's nothing but pure goodness right there. I don't want to cut these steaks yet. We're going to let these steaks rest for about a minute. And then we're going to take and top them with some of these here mushrooms. And we're going to go from there. You guys ready? So anyways, I got this here steaks. I let them rest for about 5 minutes, and you never cut into a steak immediately. Let me tell you, that's just, you gotta let them rest. You know, that's where you get the flavor of. I'm gonna put some mushrooms on this plate here. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That's nothing but pure goodness right there. Look at that. Sauteed shiitake mushrooms with herb butter. Then I get these steaks here. Ooh, let's see what I got here. Like I said, these are dry aged, so they're not gonna pop real red because they got a little bit of age to them. And then we're gonna do this here. I'm gonna set it around top. Look at that. Same thing. Cut like butter. Let me tell you. Ooh, look at that. Then what I'm going to do here, take some of this herb butter. I'm going to just throw it in here just to get the chill off of it. I'm going to just melt this herb butter here. Pan's probably still hot enough just to melt it a little bit. No, it's not right there. And then we have our steak here with herb butter. Let that just slowly ooze and melt in there. I don't know about you guys. I'm ready to chow. See you next time, right here at the White House.